Hey guys, I'm in the gym. Today is about changing the world. And this is a big world. Listen, this is a big world, B-I-G. Don't let that stop you. Start with your brother. That's the least you can do. Don't walk by your neighbor. Excuse me, act like he ain't there. Treat him the way you want to be treated. Give him a smile, hug, dollar, bless you, a quarter, wherever you can spare. So today, listen, I want y'all to figure out, we're trying to change the world, but it's all about change today, all right? Change. It's all, type change in the chat, all right? But I need to hear from you guys. What do Mr. Alphaeus need to change about his jump shot, all right? What I'm doing wrong, guys? What am I doing wrong? Like why is it so hard to change the world? Did y'all see that wrist? Woo! Did you see the wrist? Guys, if y'all can help me change my jump shot, I know y'all can change. I know it. Listen, if you can fix my jump shot, you can change the world. I believe in you. I don't believe in me.